Hello everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer your Minecraft world saves to another PC. This is a great way to move your favorite worlds to a new PC or share them with another computer. First, press Windows R on your keyboard. Then type %appdata%. Then go to Minecraft and look for the saves folder. This will open the folder where all of your single-player worlds are stored. Next, find the world you want to transfer. Right-click the world folder and select Copy. Then, paste the folder onto a USB flash drive or upload it to a cloud storage service like Google Drive or OneDrive. So let's say we're already on another computer. Copy the world folder from the USB drive or download it from the cloud storage that you've uploaded it to. Now press Windows R again, then type %appdata%, go to Minecraft, then go to the saves folder, and paste the world that you just copied from another PC to this. After that, launch your Minecraft, click single player, and now your transferred world should now appear in the world list, ready to play. And that's it. Thanks for watching.